my husband and I knew we wanted to get into the laser field, and we originally were going to go with the Glowforge. We thought about it, I guess didn't do a whole lot of research, and then we went ahead and bought one. And then immediately after we purchased it, we saw nothing but bad reviews and immediately got buyer's remorse. So after doing some better late than never research, we decided to hurry up and cancel that order, got our money back, and then did some more research and decided that the OMTech 60 watt was the way to go. After talking with Josh at Wright's Woodworks, we decided, he really helped us determine that this was the route for us to go, that it was what we would have wanted for our projects and our company, and we couldn't be happier. So a lot of the big pros for us with the OMTech 60 watt was just all of the opportunities that we had with it, and the endless possibilities were just far outweighed anything that we could have thought with the Glowforge. And then on top of that, of course, the incredible customer service, always having somebody that we can call at any time of the day, the great ambassadors that we've been in communication with, the Facebook community, and everyone that's just so willing to help out. And then to top everything off, you have a 2-year warranty, which is just absolutely incredible that we know that no matter what happens, our machine is taken care of if, God forbid, anything were to go wrong. We are so happy with our purchase, and we are just so excited for the possibilities that come with it.